Hi there, I'm Ben, an RV technician here at Lichtsinn RV. Today I'm going to show you how to de-winterize a Winnebago View. Alright, so first thing we want to do is get a hose with water. We're going to put some water in the tank. So I will put that in. I did put some in already. We're just going to put a little more. If you take it up to roughly 1/3 of a tank, that should give you enough water to flush everything out. You can fill the tank if you want to. Flush all that out of there too. Alright, so once you got that water in the tank, now what we're going to do is go down here to the water compartment on the driver's side here. I always like to start out here so we can flush everything kind of out here first, and then we'll go inside after that. Alright, so we have the outside shower here. What we want to do is turn the water pump on, which is right here. Hit that. Then we're going to open the hot side of this faucet. And we're going to let it flow until you don't see any more pink coming out. So right now it's building pressure up, it's filling everything. Filling the tankless, or the hot water heater. It's filling that up right now. That's the other thing you want to make sure is that you put your filter back in your hot water heater. So we're not leaking out that side. You want to put that filter back in, make sure it's in there. And I'm just going to let it run while it's filling up everything. Okay, so again, run it till you get a nice steady stream of clear water coming out. You can run this for as long as you want to. If you want to flush it more, you can. Main thing is we want to get all the RV antifreeze out of there. RV antifreeze is not toxic, but it can give you like an oily taste. So we want to make sure we flush it out as good as we can. Okay, so that's hot. Now I'm going to turn on the cold. Okay, so now we're going to flush the cold until you get just a nice steady stream coming out there. And that's a nice steady stream of clean. We'll shut that off now. And then you do want to make sure in this compartment too, there is 3 valves. We have tank drain, low point, low point. We can just go ahead and hit the low points just really quick. There and there, just to flush those out. And then before you start, there's a winterizing valve up high that turns your siphon hose on. You want to make sure that's in normal operation. Otherwise you're not going to get any water flow to the coach. Okay, now that we've finished pumping or getting the water out here, or putting the water through, now we're going to go inside and we'll get everything taken care of in the inside. Okay, now that we're on the inside, we're going to de-winterize the inside here. So one of the big things, we'll go to the kitchen faucet first, and then again, we're just going to run it till we get a nice steady stream of clear water coming out. So that's the hot side. Then we'll switch it over to the cold side and just let that run. This one takes a little longer because we do have our drinking water filter underneath here, which is going to hold antifreeze and stuff that got pushed into it right away. So it's going to take a little bit to flush this out. You can, if you really want to, shut the water pump off, relieve the pressure, and dump that filter cartridge out just to make it go a little faster. Otherwise you can just keep there and flush and flush and flush and you'll get it cleaned out. Like right now we have a nice steady stream of clear water coming in. That's kind of what we're looking for. Alright, so we'll close that. Now we'll head to the bathroom. I'll start on the sink. Same thing, we're just going to do hot and cold. So we get that nice steady stream coming out. So there's a nice steady stream. Cold side, we'll go to the hot side. Okay, nice steady stream of water coming out. We'll shut that off. We'll do the toilet now. So toilet's running on a foot pedal on the right side here. Just push that till you nice clear water coming out. That's all right. Now we will do the shower. Okay. And again, we can do the shower either way. We can just I always put it down low so we're not spraying everywhere. So we'll turn the cold on. Just like that. Nice clear water coming out. Now we'll go to hot. All right, nice clear water coming out there. Okay, so after you've flushed all the fixtures in here and get that nice clean water coming out, you can flush a lot more water if you want to, just to make sure you get everything out. Don't need to, but you can. Other than that, that's really all there is to de-winterizing a Winnebago View.